Don't try to jump straight to 5 cups if you're not used to it. Let your body adjust gradually, especially to the caffeine. Third, establish a routine. Maybe it's a cup first thing in the morning, or mid-morning as a coffee replacement, or after lunch. Making it a consistent habit is key to long-term success. Fifth, start tracking other aspects of your cardiovascular health. Write down what you're eating, how much you're exercising, your stress levels, and how you're sleeping. This awareness alone will help you make better choices. Sixth, schedule an appointment with your doctor for a cardiovascular health check. Get your blood pressure, cholesterol panel, blood sugar, and inflammatory markers tested. This gives you a baseline to measure progress against. 7. Choose one other heart-healthy change to implement alongside green tea. Don't try to change everything at once. Small, sustainable changes are far more effective than dramatic overhauls that you can't maintain. Remember, improving your arterial health is a marathon, not a sprint. Every cup of green tea, every healthy meal, every workout, every good night's sleep is an investment in your future health. The damage to your arteries likely took years or decades to develop. Reversing that damage takes time too, but it absolutely can improve with consistent effort. One of the most powerful aspects of this approach is that you have control. You can't control your genetics and you can't turn back time, but you can control what you drink, what you eat, how you move, and how you manage stress. Those daily choices compound over time into either disease or health. I want to share one more thing that might motivate you. Your arteries have an amazing ability to heal. Studies using advanced imaging have shown that when people adopt heart-healthy lifestyles, arterial plaque can actually stabilize, become less inflamed, and even shrink over time. The endothelium can regenerate. Blood vessels can become more flexible again. Your body wants to heal, you just need to give it the right tools and environment. Green tea is one of those powerful tools. Now, I know some of you might be thinking this all sounds great, but you're wondering if you have the discipline to stick with it. Let me tell you, motivation is great for getting started, but systems and habits are what create lasting change. Don't rely on willpower alone. Instead, make green tea drinking so easy and enjoyable that it becomes automatic. Keep tea bags at your desk at work. Buy a nice teapot or cup that makes the experience pleasant. Set phone reminders if needed. Connect tea drinking with an existing habit, like having a cup right after you brush your teeth in the morning. Find a variety of green tea you genuinely enjoy, and if you hate the taste, you won't stick with it. Experiment with different types until you find ones you like. Consider the meditative aspect of tea preparation. Taking a few minutes to mindfully prepare and drink tea can become a calming ritual in your day, providing both cardiovascular benefits and stress relief. You might even want to involve your family or friends. Having a tea buddy can increase accountability and make the experience more social and enjoyable. Share what you're learning about arterial health with people you care about. Heart disease affects so many people, and you might inspire others to make positive changes too. Before I close out this video, let's quickly recap the key points. Your arteries can become clogged with plaque over time due to factors like high cholesterol, high blood pressure, inflammation, poor diet, smoking, and a sedentary lifestyle. This process, called atherosclerosis, leads to heart attacks, strokes, and other serious cardiovascular problems. Green tea, particularly its catechin compounds like EGCG, has been scientifically proven to protect and improve arterial health through multiple mechanisms. It reduces LDL oxidation, improves endothelial function, decreases inflammation, lowers cholesterol, helps regulate blood pressure, and reduces blood clot formation.